What's up, everyone? Going to go over ADTX. We had news on this one this morning, and it did get a pop and a nice move throughout the day. Was our largest volume gainer today. 90 million shares traded on ADTX today. That's a lot of volume. Not the most volume that we've seen, but still a lot of volume. This was our volume leader. It did have news. It popped on the news. This is our pre-market section in the gray on the left-hand side. It then popped with that news, kind of fizzled until market opened here in the black area, and then popped with higher volume. So let's break down the price action and what happened here. So ADTX, breaking news, would love to see it, but it was a pop and soon drop very so after. If I measure this move out and from the beginning to the end, it was about 130%. So strong move, plenty of opportunity to make money. And this is where I was making my money this morning, trading this one in the pre-market session as well as the regular market session. Now, one thing that I saw initially was this first pop here up on 45% change on this candle with 23,000 shares. You can see that at the top. And that was a nice pop, but it did not hold up, so it pulled back. So looking for it to then get above this pivot zone. Our indicators are automatically plotting that pivot zone for me. We are seeing the volume start to step up here. We're seeing those green histogram bars on the volume histogram. We love to see that. We want to see high volume. Now we're just looking for a candle color change back to green, so momentum color change. We're looking for it to stay blue on the trend. So we're looking for the trend and the strategy to work hand in hand. So we've got a couple more pivot zones here. Green candle reversal did not hold up. Reverse back below. We're looking for that green candle, and there it is at market open. Now, something that's interesting as well is I'm seeing we have a pivot watch signal down below. So if I zoom in on this, you'll see this 516 pivot watch. That's going to be on this candle here. There's a little break of structure candle there. If I make this large, you'll be able to see it easier. I think that was the correct one. There it is. So a yellow pivot there. I have mine as yellow. You can have it any color you prefer. I just have it for this example as yellow to stand out. But the pivot watch is letting you know when to start watching for a pivot. This is our pivot zone. 516 is our support. Anything below that is bearish. This is our break of structure. It closed above that pivot zone. We then look at this pivot zone as a bullish support area to then hold. It did hold. It tested this on this candle. Then our trend signal here, long trend signal, changed. So we had a recipe for success, a pivot watch, break of structure, and a long signal all in the same place. We then started to halt up with volume, and then this one just took off. Now, looking in our Discord, we do have some information on this one as well. I'll copy and paste this. This is from our MJ channel. MJ Corner channel, and Master Jedi posted this in the chat this week, and just some information on ADTX. Let me shrink this down a little bit, and it seems to have disappeared. Let me see if I can get it back on here. All right, so what we're seeing here is ADTX right at the bottom down here is changing their float size. They have a 1 for 250 reverse split, which is crazy. But the float size is going from a 14 million share float down to a 56,000 share float. So that is a micro float, something very small. So that's a squeeze potential. We can squeeze that type of float around with large orders. So a lot of traders are going to see that and take advantage of that. So I think that's what happened here. I think it did have the news. Great. I think it had a recent reverse split, and I think we had a squeeze going on here with short sellers were just getting squeezed out of their position. It wasn't the cleanest of moves, and that's because this was not continuation. This is more like a bounce watch. We did have that pivot here. We had continuation, the trend zone, all the way until we have that trend, the pivot zone and trend signal change. Then pulled back. Here's a pivot watch, a little bounce from the pivot, trend signal change again. And you can see we're now just kind of bouncing around. And that's what's going to happen. We can see our volume is now dying out down at the bottom at the histogram. Green bars, that's what we're looking for. We're just dying out with volume to the right-hand side until we fizzled out. So maybe tomorrow we can watch ADTX for a possible squeeze. We do have recent resistance through $10. So I'd like to see it back over that pivot zone up here at $10. If we can get above that, we can look for a possible continuation. Keep in mind, this is a very small float, so it will be whippy, will be choppy, whatever you want to call it. Will go both ways very quickly. So lock in those profits, hold your lotto in case you feel there's continuation, and trust in your strategy. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
If you stuck to the end of this video, you're a true legend. Check out our other educational videos to further your education today. Until next time, stay bullish and protect that profit.